I was sitting on my living room floor, crying, figuring out I had to find a lawyer. I didn't know what to do.
First 58 years of my life were basically free of any type of tickets of any sort. And then I found myself with a case dealing with a felony.
I've never had legal problems in my life. I was a single father with 4 little children, and I'm raising them by myself. All of a sudden I had an issue that came up and I didn't know where to turn.
And I was put into a situation I never thought I was going to be put into. I called Sevens Legal and they took care of everything else from that point out.
When you walk in, it's not like a stuffy corporate type office. It's kind of like an old converted craftsman house, and it's super comfortable, and there's a couch and you'll get water and coffee or a snack, and it's a place where people can go and not feel intimidated.
We're really close-knit. We really approach each case as a family unit and make sure that every client knows that all hands are on deck.
Sevens Legal. He made it so easy for me and made it to the point where I didn't have to really think about a lot of things. He said, let me handle it, I'll take care of it, and the legal firm took over from there.
It was the most relieving feeling I've ever had because it was the scary situation, probably the most traumatic one I've ever been in. And I felt like no matter what, I was in great hands.
What I try to do is to calm them down, tell them, look, you hired me, it's in my hands now, let me worry about it, and you just go continue being a productive member of society. That's what's gonna help you the most. Stay in your job, do really well, go back to school, do something good.
It doesn't get any better than Samantha Greene, and she's just a powerhouse of a lawyer, and she's the face of the firm, she's the mover, the shaker, she's the one that gets outstanding results consistently.
I find it's a lot easier to get what you want by being nice and by being respectful, just friendly to people and honest.
I was never out of the loop. I was receiving texts, I was receiving emails and personal phone calls assuring me that everything was going to work out. And in the end, it worked out. It got all thrown out of court, and I couldn't ask for a better outcome than that.
Oh, I have nothing but praise, and I couldn't imagine any other words that best describe people that are caring and truly understand what you're going through and try to make it as easy as possible.
When you do a good job for somebody, and someone is in a similar situation they know, word spreads. And it's flattering. We get referrals from prosecutors, we get referrals from judges, we get referrals from past clients, and we get referrals from our peers and colleagues who are lawyers.
I would 100%, without a doubt, recommend Sevens Legal to anyone in any kind of situation similar to mine or in any criminal case, because it's just this service, you can't compete, you cannot compare.
They came through amazingly. I mean, it was better than I could have ever anticipated or expected. And at the end, I mean, I was wanting to, buy them flowers and, do anything I could for them because they handled everything amazing.
When you know that you have gotten a really great result and that justice has been achieved and that your clients are happy, that feels amazing.